Have you ever faced an error while trying to upload a file in Vue.js? It can be really frustrating, especially when you just want to get your work done. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve the issue of clearing a file input after an upload. I totally understand how annoying it is when your code doesn't work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers run into similar issues when dealing with file inputs in Vue.js. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I clear the file input in Vue.js after uploading a file? They encountered an error when trying to set the V model to null, which stated that file inputs are read only. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, why does this happen? File inputs in HTML are indeed read-only when it comes to binding with V model. This means you can't directly manipulate their value like other input types. But don't worry, there are effective workarounds to achieve what you need. And make sure to stick around. I have a great solution at the end that will help you clear your file input seamlessly after each upload. To clear the file input after uploading a file, the user should first remove the vmodel directive from the file input. This is because file inputs are read-only and cannot be bound directly to a data property. Next, the user should implement the upload file method. This method will handle the file upload and clear the input afterward. Inside this method, the user can access the file input using the ref attribute. After handling the file upload, the user can reset the file input by setting its value to an empty string. This allows the same file to be uploaded multiple times without any issues. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that the file input clears correctly after each upload. They can do this by uploading a file and checking if the input is empty afterward. Fun fact, did you know that the first file upload on the internet happened in 1992? It was a simple text file, but look how far we've come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests wrapping your file input in a form and adding a reference to that form. After a successful file upload, you can reset the form to clear the file input. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the ref attribute. They suggest setting the file input's value to null after the upload to clear it for future uploads. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution suggests that file inputs are read-only, so you should not use vmodel on them. Instead, simply remove the vmodel binding from your file input. Here's a quick recap. Use a v-on-change listener instead of vmodel for file inputs, and reset the input reference after uploading. This will solve your issue and keep your workflow smooth. And there you have it. You should now be able to clear your file input after each upload without any errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Vue.js and other programming challenges.